Mema Obibi Akwaba about GVC News. Hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a Bremo. A year Listowel or also reacted to a year Professor Frimpong Boateng, a reporter or the betu driving for a year galamsey and Sammy. Now Bobo a month for one Jubilee House. One day one home up for a year galamsey ya. A month for Kahwasema Lord Bitise Lord Komi Kojo Kyeremanteng. Humbon a year galamsey and Sammy. Now Kwabena Frimpong report and I better Bontino. Listowel so reacted about to 2 billion money a year Akufo-Addo amount in Sembe Brenara Atuja. Now answer the beko and same way begin. Message says so we subscribe to the channel now. Message say over subscribe or click the subscribe button or say the extra wall screen so now our belly notification. When it's a new video be upload no was so once a bekabi. After we are now like video no one my thumbs up Dampare what share ama of so enya be after Afriyie yanko and sebidemo. Aye Listowel na napoku munyina muni Listowel or na phone e wo screen so na aye papa we de woni Akufo-Addo enhia baako se anything bi obenya akonya achana bia fan sembre hu waya Akufo-Addo pasa na Listowel ekyerese nipa bia wode no ho bedom Akufo-Addo bia na nipa na ba be yedi mo nipa papa bia wode no ho bedwane Akufo-Addo bia na kyerese wa ba be dane nipa bonefo na Listowel edi ensebebre atudwa afa ye sa report ye beto do yensemre no yenkuti ensema ye Listowel napoku edi tudwa afa sa report yi Momenti and some year Listowel added to Momenti.
Yeah, that's so I was so galamsey fight. And reporter Professor Frimpong Boateng Eddie Ababonting and a home matters arising. Waboko Kuba Kudin, Wabocha Owusu din, Obo Lord Comedy, Ni Teko, Obonidin, Abranti be a friend Protozwa, Obonidin, Wabo Nipa Wabubo Mudin, Kojo Kyeremanteng. Yeah. Kojo Kyeremanteng sudin e report no mo and the informer the Obokrata and also Obonidin settlement Mante a reporter for Peace FM Obonidin Obo Captain Koda din Obo senior minister ya Osafmafo and also Obonidin and opiemu nankasa nanado and if you na e watch bi no what say garden mu nyina galamsey nko and also e report no mo
ohiniba ura Frimpong Boateng minim no personally Oyobia ni din ho te papa Oyobia one Alan Kyeremanteng mienu in fact Akufo-Addo mam omo appointment omo GE no mi di omo ya papa sir seriously because obia unim Alan Kyeremanteng na unim sene wosie na mayosem obia unim Frimpong Boateng
you are watching GC News on YouTube hot news all time
Ekobo Akufo-Addo you have to be very worried. Wow. Because ni papa pe bia ni wo de ne ho abo Akufo-Addo will remain the same.
Wow.
Obi bia wo de ne ho abo Akufo-Addo no matter how good your qualities or your traits are no you become very devil or devilish. You become an instant demon, a vampire. Because nyoma wo ye no. Et said ye sebi obi a oye Kristoni wafa bonsama damfo.
Wase.
Pentecost for our new be almost to say, Mafa Yesu, Yonko, Papa, Biareniwa, say Jesus, Epwenia, Toy, Yonko, O Yonko, and the betcha Owusu buying.
Oh, okay.
Say me, Mempe Jollof, na me see Madame Fone or Hineba, na me dada me. Dear Medi Jollof, dear corn beef womb. Meboa, say me. Mempenam na me kofa Mugabe adamfo a eye den ya mewie no merinam vegetarian timi fa Mugabe adamfo partial vegetarian on timi fa Mugabe adamfo
yeah
hwe Akufo-Addo na me nwanwa say say Frimpong Boateng na you know he has just been very charitable to Akufo-Addo. He has been very diplomatic. Oh, he is trying to refuse to tell the story of why Akufo-Addo is the kingpin of galamsey. Bibi akosubia, wonu na ye sales. He is the reason why Obitise Mrekuduka is the deputy for lands and natural resources. Duka wa galamsey ya. Obi anim duga. Minim ne kom na ba bi otu ni gal. Minim ne peti nyina, minim ni nyina. Ametimi aso nsade wakoho ya omode mining e ye friend say community mining signboard ko si ho a me be ka no radio we aso ani unu abobi ho me ka wi ade eche o makotutu ni nyina se community mine yade papa Oye galamsey ya Akufo-Addo has sent his boys osafmafo me na mo takwa me ye campaign tia duka mi ankasa mi nana poku me ye campaign me hu ya ne se osafmafo aba na me se wo hu wo mo a o mo se
news on YouTube hot news all time
ewo takwa insoyem constituency ni mu no wo se akokra wo de mi ka ba obebo duka ho ban Duka lost the seat. He lost it.
Yeah, he lost it.
And he rigged it with 111 votes.
Yeah.
Obia now 20,000 votes. I also your MP. So say we MP because they rigged it and gave him 111 votes.
Yeah.
Difference. And what you know, galamsey no, it was just an attempt to tell the Ghanaians say, Omo yes adwuma no in the past no. Ye pe kwan bi so ayi o ma free ho.
Munya na
ye de yen nkofo akwa wa mo matu agudie no. Heritage mining. Satema Erastus Asaridon course wo kwakochi asoja for no.
Yeah.
Ye wi ase no. Nipa okwakodi akaginamu ama heritage ayi for no. Enye gabi Asaridon ku chambers.
Okay.
Obi akwakowura forest eye virgin forest mu. Sabi otu from agudie bubu nuane sabi epam mmoa. Na journalist cover story say ya unim say almost said that court am I de tabono to journalist ne to say man post sa de ne woni Facebook am I nya jaja ono so no na adwene nya adwuma ma ne yes ruling
I was Imperial Heritage. Yeah.
Imperial Heritage.
Imperial Heritage.
That's the name of the company.
Imperial Heritage.
So Mr. Frimpong Boateng or Dr. Frimpong Boateng or Professor Frimpong Boateng me the minimum so a doctor for a very long time a prof no intiminka. Oh, he has been very charitable. And so the report, me, I think, say, the charity now, a woman, is too much.
Because also when you call from Gabi, yeah, Gabi identified home as the lawyer for Imperial Heritage.
Yes. What you say?
Yeah.
Now, let's take them one by one.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, the entire omon pese, omon ebe jai to me muno. Oh, eti. Me penny pa.
What's your friend names no?
Yes.
Mami mo names no.
Yo.
Names no Sir John. I remember that at a meeting in a conference room of the president, I told the president in the presence of Sir John that the greatest danger to the forest of Ghana was Sir John. It is Sir John D.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Hot
news all time.
Owusu D. PM. Yeah.
Now. So, minua ye boni ana mechanic.
Anna Honorable Joseph Albert Kwam, former MP, so a former MP for Manson Quanta, ono so ne din APM. Lord Comedy APM.
Ono the only thing was the gay craft frafra. O the gay ni bibia ogonye ska na nkwasa asem kwa na odidi.
Na na gay no.
Matise
ye ni proof.
Wo kaso onye gay kro no beko. Wo kaso Lord Comedy wo kaso onye gay for.
Na wonye gay.
Media se nipa nya kraman wa ko nso bi fo bi but ko kase wono wonsoso gay so a wono be manso no be twi oga na wuti
se wono soso
gay fo so ei wo bi wono sabi wono wa ya ma sese wono obomu tate no be kase sen
dabi
se wono di mutintima ya campaign ma gay fo
ho de yetwe ho san ye hu fu
anu nti matese ye so wo constituency bi mu ha me ma so me sese me nam Church of Pentecost ma akuma me say Bebia min na be dru bia masa akwa no ye be make sure so rap parliament because rap parliament wa me grow to
anamis
on be dia tum
tie won kan ni bebia da say wajige to
busa tiny na busa ne say se wo busa tiny say Lord come wo pege fo asem ana so wo pege fo asem ana wo pese obo hu dawro ana wo pese obo hu dawro tiny answer no will tell you why I said so.
Yabeko ko bisa tani. Yenya misa tani ne de. Ya twe wona sign to de ye wura yankom.
Me pacho. Me no me kasa sebi me frebusu akesi.
Me
de hye.
So me no
tintesu fam ketre.
Enti wo fa.
Enti me dwen ho ansa na makasa. Enti asem bia maka bia no. Twe wo hu free.
Enti na me say. Ya ne aso ne power.
Ya me na epoku
bia. Ya hu afiri.
Me see ade e friend gay. O ka say Lord come won pa. Na je say woni nyame ene ekun.
Okay.
Eti
me kasa Lord come wom.
Lord come.
Just need take Lord come.
Nobilité. Komi.
Was
I said Okono.
Tie. Was it Chinese working for them? I am not referring to party people who had their legitimate concession and were mining sustainably as they were instructed to do. There are appointees in the Jubilee House that are doing or supporting illegal mining or interfering with the fight against the menace. Examples: Lord Comey, Chasni Teko, and Frank Asiedu Bequin, or Chief of Staff Office, no popularly known as Protozoa. Yeah, on also. And ya ofa Kwaku Annan. Ono so ni din apiem. Ana wofa Kwaku Ofosu Asiama. Ono so ni din apiem. Ono no de binding of excavators no. Ana wan hwe amana nkoso.
Kwaku Annan no support
Imperial Heritage for ya true stories efa wo mo eho. Ana ye wo 2BN soldier form water crade. Omo so din PM anom protect galamsey.
Protect Takwa Insoyim, to be specific. Kobi Ochedako Mensa sites. Na ne protect.
Kojo Kyeremanteng.
Yes.
One also the
Kobi Ochedako diamem na emwa.
And the senior minister Yawasafma.
The minister for Western Region. The diamem no emwa.
And
it favoritism abem.
And a war for Captain Koda. Captain Koda.
Enyamofa no.
Are you?
Minini baby.
Okay. Now there is a Saturday Edel Hasu. I think you will enjoy this one. Was it the impunity in the eastern region is exemplified by near unbelievable activities in Chebi. I had a telephone call from Mr. Eric Entry of the office of the president, and he narrated that the youth organizer of the NPP in Chebi was excavating for gold in a field close to the house of His Excellency the President of the Republic. When we checked it, it was true. Indeed, part of the garden of the president had been affected.
Ni mami fio. Ni mami fio.
Baby anana.
Da me si chebi no mutimi tu foma gudie wo ahimfie ma afie ahimfie wo obeko na esen ho. Ahimfie o.
Na epoko traso e dey traso.
Ahimfie
me modin bi.
Enya nansen e na Nyankopon eye adi omo afo figide taxpayers money ko si ahimfie a. Na nka se bi omo mobro ene o masi ahimfie mo ultra modern
nsuo no kra to
taxpayers money
eko ho
oko
mo nsuo no to
eko ra ho ebe yiri won
eyiri chebi awanhu
eyiri
no I think last year
na tell me pay next time I fall boni om dia asase no asase be yi omo ano because am nananom ye sa boni na e ka mo enkan so mo so a japade mo ewiase sebi preduasa a former japade no ayete se tofi ye tafre mo de ma mene ena chese sika pe ni sika pe boni bi ene ukosia kwala usia pani ofiri tebi nko ade wo mu hwe wa peja ne metri na Motorola isen ne trouser na ne trouser iso twe form
eti omu bisa Professor Frimpong Boate so say na me frame up pari bisa na say so what is the way forward for galamsey any what say tie the way forward no ba ko ni omu a we expect say omu mwana yankuntia galamsey Professor Frimpong Boate papa wa hadwen
very learned man
Papa wa hadwen because
the papa we din wo Akufo-Addo we ko school kura wo kosua de kura wabon papa we akọ school akọ yes surgeon
the world
he's acknowledged wa bin say akoma ho surgeon wo yare kura wo na ehwe na wo de papa we din abeto fom ama entotofe wa nipa fianga bi omko school kura masa abon aka ho e ba be di papa we atem
was say I was suspecting people such as Gabi Asarewachirindako, Captain Koda and others like them who knew the president better and certainly had their interest and success at heart to support the fight against illegal mining. This means
William said he was living in a fool's paradise.
Professor Frimpong
yes. Oh, now Jane say they were all Jane, Sana Ubiati. Akufo-Addo, all my post no, or the Nifa Baba no the Bunkumaso or Penchi. A Jumana, a man is a one coyeno. un say che Kennedy Agyapong ya oni nam ho ya okoka say ne ba Jojo enso ye galamsey.
Yeah, I.
Meanwhile, obi anim say Jojo na Professor Frimpong Boateng.
Yeah.
Ono kasa Jojo na akọ ne papa say o man concession. O ka che Jojo say so onim na sim ni mu ne so mkokun a. Omunkun. What the galam stop ekọ ne ba ne so. Ah. Ono kasa de galam stop po ne ba ne so. Professor na ayi ye friend say Kennedy Agyapong ananu sini say media ya. Wono ni nam say wono Jojo eye Frimpong Boateng ba no e2 galamsey. Obi o license. I would do for my good year. Small scale miner. Or send a papa bad, the onion where did he? What the girl stop calling Baniso? Friend Nebusano. Wow. Oh, and to know such a person, no. So, so good anymore, say, Busa who say, who fear the same. A be will fear.
Why any fear to say no?
Akufo-Addo.
Why any fear?
What be the suffering poor body where Akufo-Addo fear and Kakas and Kobesi died the Frimpong Boateng the Atos. He nebusuafo bi odi edin toto mo na hwe ono akasa wakosi dan no de ne papa din abɔ ho ba bia ne papa status ye hwe nwura ani ahyewofo ne gina ho
but wo kra abodamfo tada ho
abodamfo ana sasa busa maame na se ko busa ne maame ase na be hu de nti a ɛhɔ na abodamfo da mobo yeah mobo me I look into the spiritual realm and I see how Ghana mobo
Suffer.
Na we di enso.
Suffer Listowel.
Wo bia wonu to galamsey no. No ahye da ba kofa your friend is saying minu ekra friend is saying minu ya no wo metro ikra me ne wo metro me refi. Kana sigbe.
Yo.
Kana sigbe ne o kasa ni tiri huntini.
Ne nsasi fom.
Anya ne nsa na esi fom ne kon na wo ho. Ni pa galamsey ya no obeye. Adwuma wa ya odididie no. Akufo-Addo catch us say me kutia corruption a na chese wo ye kromfo obewia wo no wakum no asai
famisi ne yanko minimre ena minimre mo ba ntama anka ne yekun ye ho because so good for you no so what the esi
ye ku ye ho a etiefo be dey tienka
so good for you no so what the esi wo
na good for you ma me nchechire mu o ma to gold na ma se gold na buo mo so na kwa be no mbefa so the gold akọ. And Ghana for say in the sovereignty, no, in the name of Ghana.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Edi akwakoje oil. Send a money laundering, sending your man can. What must say? Why now what your man on near? Or no, any dasu or no ton oil. Now, or the babaji gold.
What to be that? And yeah, that go that.
A Ponzi scheme.
Debut. Now go.
And I want Japadia Bukunim. Ejapadie buku no obi a odwen say enya nokre no
onko kan
ejapadie buku no bibie ni we wo mo ansiye buku no it is their manual.
I can't 5% pay.
Look, it is their manual to the governance. Manual buku mu hwemu ansa na o mabu man no troubleshooting nyina wo bibia wo e say wakoto TV na TV ni manual no reset nyina wo baabia say ye ko ye we na anye ya ye mfa ha ye fa ha na anye ya ye mfa ha mining concessions a ye koje enkofo we mu be hanum gold wa ha gold ni ha
ya say antivirus nyina
oh yeah bibia wo antivirus ni nyina wo
o make creative virus no we are one compare
yo etifo waiting and some Listowel na poku edi tudwa ono so wache na befa aye report galamsey hun sensemi aye Professor Frimpong Boateng edi betudwa obobobo penifo one wo Jubilee House wanna get deeply involved in the galamsey anona aye Listowel so react ya wache Akufo-Addo ye galamsey kingpin awode assembly nara ene etudwa mekawo say wunya subscribe to the channel na message obe subscribe na wa like video no na fe wa share ama ofoforo so enya bi ahwe so betimi akere wadwen afa aye ensem gina ho ewo comment box ni mo bete minka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.